Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on AUD NZD? Now, on the monthly time frame, there is one thing that we can immediately see. The market has rejected an extremely strong monthly support zone first here, again here, and recently the market tested the zone again, creating this move to the upside. Now, if we check at what we have from a pattern perspective, we can see that the market has created this W formation. And after a W formation, you definitely expect a retracement, which is exactly what the market is currently giving us. Now, if we go down on the weekly time frame, what we can see. Now, from a weekly perspective, we can clearly see that here we have weekly support. In fact, in all this move to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is this red candle, which is obviously a very strong demand area that the market has already rejected here. And we can expect another rejection from here. But overall, we need to see the pattern complete to the downside. If we go down on the daily, everything appears very clear. In fact, what we can see that the extremely strong daily support is around this zone here, which was acting as support here, support here, support here, and now it will be acting again as support at this area. Now, before I show you how we will be approaching this with students, let's first go and see what we have at the moment from an AUD and in NZD perspective. If we check the COT data, so the commitment of traders, what big banks and institutions are currently doing in the market. Now, from an AUD perspective, we can see that we had net positions going from minus 54K net positions all the way up to minus 4K net positions. So from having way more shorts than longs to having more or less the same amount with 40K shorts and 35K longs from an institutional perspective on the AUD. And if we go and see what we have from an NZD perspective, we can see that NZD has been getting very strong, okay? We went from minus 20K to minus 15K with 1.7K longs added with the last report and 10K longs 10K shorts closed with the previous report. So NZD pretty strong. And what happened? The market on AUD NZD created a lower low. However, what it also created is this M formation approaching very strong daily support. So how we will be approaching this with students? First thing, we will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bearish market to a bullish market inside of this area. And as soon as the market will shift from a bearish market to a bullish market from a 4-hour perspective, we will be taking a nice long if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries to test the neckline of the formation and basically complete the pattern at this zone, which is the resistance. And then from here, there is the possibility again to be monitoring price action for the continuation to the downside, but that is something that we will see later on. The first opportunity is inside of this area. If we will see the market shift from a bearish market, which it is right now, to a bullish market inside of this area, and as soon as the market will do it, we will add it on watch list. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long for the completion of the M formation at the neckline. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.